The Toyota e-Bella represents a fascinating vision of how urban mobility could evolve in response to the growing challenges of modern cities. As populations continue to concentrate in metropolitan areas and the pressure on infrastructure, environment, and quality of life intensifies, automakers have begun to rethink not just how vehicles are powered, but how they are designed, used, and integrated into daily life. Toyota, a company long associated with innovation and reliability, has explored many forward-thinking concepts over the years, and the idea behind the e-Bella fits naturally into this broader narrative of sustainable, human-centered transportation. At its core, the concept of the e-Bella is rooted in the transition toward electrification. Electric vehicles have already begun transforming the automotive landscape, offering cleaner alternatives to internal combustion engines and reducing dependence on fossil fuels. The e-Bella builds upon this foundation but goes further by focusing on compactness, efficiency, and urban compatibility. Unlike traditional vehicles that are often designed for a wide range of uses including long-distance travel, the e-Bella is imagined as a solution tailored specifically for city environments where space is limited and congestion is a daily concern. One of the defining characteristics of a concept like the e-Bella is its compact size. In crowded cities, large vehicles can become a burden rather than a benefit. Parking becomes difficult, maneuverability is reduced, and energy consumption increases unnecessarily. By contrast, a smaller electric vehicle allows for greater agility and convenience. It can navigate narrow streets, fit into tight parking spaces, and reduce the overall footprint of transportation infrastructure. This approach aligns with the broader trend toward micro-mobility solutions, which emphasize efficiency and practicality over excess. Design plays a crucial role in shaping how such a vehicle would be perceived and used. The e-Bella concept is often imagined with a sleek, modern aesthetic that reflects both technological sophistication and environmental consciousness. Smooth curves, aerodynamic lines, and minimalist surfaces contribute not only to visual appeal but also to functional efficiency. Reduced air resistance improves energy usage, while a streamlined design enhances the overall driving experience. Lighting elements, such as LED strips and adaptive headlights, add a futuristic touch while improving visibility and safety. Inside the vehicle, the focus shifts to comfort, usability, and digital integration. Modern drivers and passengers expect more than just transportation, they seek an experience that aligns with their connected lifestyles. The e-Bella would likely feature an advanced infotainment system, intuitive controls, and seamless connectivity with smartphones and other devices. Voice commands, touch interfaces, and possibly gesture-based controls could replace traditional buttons and switches, creating a clean and uncluttered interior environment. Another important aspect of the e-Bella concept is sustainability. Beyond its electric powertrain, the vehicle could incorporate eco-friendly materials and manufacturing processes. Recycled plastics, sustainable fabrics, and lightweight composites might be used to reduce environmental impact without compromising durability or comfort. This holistic approach to sustainability reflects a growing awareness that true environmental responsibility extends beyond emissions to include the entire life cycle of a product. Safety is always a priority in automotive design, and the e-Bella would be no exception. Advanced driver assistance systems could be integrated to help prevent accidents and protect occupants. Features such as automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, and adaptive cruise control are already becoming standard in many vehicles, and future concepts like the e-Bella could take these technologies even further. With the potential inclusion of autonomous driving capabilities, the vehicle could reduce human error and enhance overall safety in busy urban environments. The integration of artificial intelligence is another area where the e-Bella could stand out. AI systems could analyze traffic patterns, optimize routes, and adapt to individual user preferences. For example, the vehicle might learn a driver's daily routine and suggest the most efficient routes or charging schedules. It could also provide real-time updates on traffic conditions, weather, and nearby points of interest, making each journey more informed and convenient. Charging infrastructure is a critical factor in the success of any electric vehicle. The e-Bella would need to be compatible with fast charging networks and possibly support innovative solutions such as wireless charging. In a city setting, where time and convenience are essential, the ability to quickly recharge or top up the battery could make a significant difference in user satisfaction. Additionally, the vehicle might be designed to maximize efficiency, allowing it to travel longer distances on a single charge despite its compact size. The concept of shared mobility could also play a role in the vision of the e-Bella. As ride-sharing and car-sharing services become more popular, vehicles designed specifically for these purposes can offer unique advantages. The e-Bella could be adapted for use in shared fleets, with features that facilitate easy access, quick turnover, and minimal maintenance. This would not only reduce the number of vehicles on the road but also make transportation more accessible and affordable for a wider range of users. Urban planning and transportation policies are increasingly focused on reducing congestion and emissions, and vehicles like the e-Bella could support these goals. By providing a practical alternative to larger, less efficient cars, the e-Bella could encourage more sustainable travel habits. It could also integrate with public transportation systems, serving as a last-mile solution that connects commuters to buses, trains, and other modes of transit. From a technological standpoint, the e-Bella represents a convergence of multiple innovations. Advances in battery technology, materials science, software development, and connectivity all contribute to making such a concept feasible. As these technologies continue to evolve, the possibilities for vehicles like the e-Bella will expand, allowing for greater performance, efficiency, and functionality. The user experience is another key consideration. Driving in a busy city can be stressful, and the e-Bella could be designed to minimize this stress through thoughtful features and design choices. A quiet electric motor reduces noise pollution, while ergonomic seating and intuitive controls enhance comfort. Ambient lighting and customizable settings could create a more pleasant and personalized environment, turning each journey into a more enjoyable experience. In addition to its practical benefits, the e-Bella also represents a shift in how people think about transportation. Rather than viewing a car solely as a means of getting from one place to another, it becomes part of a broader ecosystem that includes technology, sustainability, and lifestyle. This shift reflects changing attitudes, particularly among younger generations who prioritize convenience, efficiency, and environmental responsibility. The economic implications of such a vehicle are also worth considering. As production scales up and technology becomes more affordable, compact electric vehicles like the e-Bella could become accessible to a wider audience. This could lead to increased adoption and further accelerate the transition away from traditional vehicles. At the same time, new business models and services could emerge, creating opportunities for innovation and growth within the automotive industry. Cultural and social factors also influence how vehicles are designed and used. In some cities, smaller vehicles are already the norm, while in others, larger cars remain popular. The success of a concept like the e-Bella would depend on its ability to adapt to different contexts and meet the needs of diverse users. This might involve offering various configurations, customization options, or even region-specific features. Environmental benefits are a central motivation behind the development of electric vehicles. By eliminating tailpipe emissions, the e-Bella could contribute to improved air quality and reduced greenhouse gas emissions. This is particularly important in densely populated urban areas, where pollution can have significant health impacts. Combined with renewable energy sources, electric vehicles offer a pathway toward a more sustainable future. The role of government and policy cannot be overlooked. Incentives, regulations, and infrastructure investments all play a part in shaping the adoption of new technologies. Support for electric vehicles, such as subsidies, tax breaks, and charging networks, could help accelerate the deployment of concepts like the e-Bella. At the same time, policies aimed at reducing traffic and promoting alternative transportation modes could create a more favorable environment for such innovations. Looking ahead, the evolution of urban mobility will likely involve a combination of different solutions, including public transit, micro-mobility, and personal vehicles. The e-Bella fits into this landscape as a flexible and efficient option that complements other modes of transportation. Its compact design and advanced features make it well suited to the demands of modern cities, while its focus on sustainability aligns with broader environmental goals. The potential for customization and personalization is another exciting aspect. Users might be able to choose from a range of colors, materials, and features to create a vehicle that reflects their individual preferences. Digital customization could extend to the interface and functionality, allowing users to tailor the experience to their needs. This level of personalization enhances user satisfaction and creates a stronger connection between the individual and the vehicle. Innovation in manufacturing processes could also play a role in bringing the e-Bella to life. Techniques such as 3D printing, modular construction, and advanced robotics could reduce production costs and increase efficiency. This would make it easier to produce vehicles at scale while maintaining high quality and consistency. Additionally, modular designs could allow for easier maintenance and upgrades, extending the lifespan of the vehicle. The concept of connectivity extends beyond the vehicle itself to include communication with other vehicles and infrastructure. Vehicle-to-vehicle and vehicle-to-infrastructure communication could enable safer and more efficient traffic management. For example, the e-Bella could receive information about traffic signals, road conditions, and nearby vehicles, allowing it to adjust its behavior accordingly. This interconnected system could reduce congestion and improve overall traffic flow. Another dimension to consider is the emotional aspect of driving. While practicality and efficiency are important, people also value enjoyment and engagement. The e-Bella could offer a unique driving experience that combines the responsiveness of electric power with the convenience of advanced technology. Even in a compact form, the vehicle could deliver a sense of fun and satisfaction that enhances everyday travel. The transition to electric and smart vehicles is not without challenges. Issues such as battery disposal, resource availability, and infrastructure development must be addressed to ensure long-term sustainability. However, ongoing research and innovation are helping to overcome these obstacles, paving the way for more widespread adoption of electric mobility solutions. In conclusion, the Toyota e-Bella concept embodies a forward-looking approach to urban transportation that prioritizes efficiency, sustainability, and user experience. By combining compact design, electric power, advanced technology, and thoughtful integration with urban environments, it offers a compelling vision of what the future of mobility could look like. As cities continue to evolve and the demand for smarter, cleaner transportation grows, concepts like the e-Bella provide valuable insights into how we can move toward a more sustainable and connected world.